Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into something that takes luxury, performance, and rugged freedom to a whole new level, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Imagine combining the opulence of a high-end yacht, the muscle of a Mercedes-Benz, and the all-terrain capability of a true off-road beast. That's exactly what Brabus has done, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. At the heart of this luxury RV is the powerful Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, but this isn't your average van conversion. Brabus has taken it several steps further by injecting their signature performance DNA into every inch of this motorhome. Under the hood, it packs a tuned Mercedes V6 turbo diesel engine, delivering enhanced torque and horsepower. This means you're not just cruising in comfort, you're doing it with serious power, whether you're gliding down the Autobahn or navigating rugged backcountry trails. The exterior design is unmistakably Brabus. It's bold, aggressive, and refined all at once. With an elevated ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and custom bodywork, it's built to go off-grid in style. The matte black finish, signature Brabus grille, and LED lighting package create a presence that demands attention on and off the road. The roof is outfitted with solar panels, extra cargo mounts, and even satellite connectivity, ensuring you're always powered up and connected no matter where your adventure takes you. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. This isn't just a camper, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. Every surface feels premium. There's handcrafted leather upholstery, ambient lighting that can be controlled via touchscreen, and a digital cockpit that merges Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX system with Brabus enhancements. The cabin is insulated and climate-controlled, perfect for both alpine and desert expeditions. The floor plan is both functional and elegant. You get a luxurious queen-size bed with memory foam, a fully equipped kitchenette with premium appliances, and a bathroom that rivals those in boutique hotels. We're talking a Rainfall showerhead, heated floors, and even a backlit mirror with integrated smart tech. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout, making long-term travel feel effortless. You even get a dedicated workspace with a 5G router, ideal for those mixing business with pleasure. Brabus didn't forget about the driving experience either. Adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, and all-wheel drive make it a joy to handle. Whether you're tackling steep mountain passes or cruising down the coastline, this motorhome offers a smooth, commanding ride. Safety features include 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, making long drives feel almost effortless. What really sets the 2026 Brabus Motorhome apart is how it blends freedom and comfort with no compromise. It's designed for those who demand luxury but also want the capability to explore beyond the pavement. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every second of the journey in supreme comfort and style. That's all for today's feature on the Brabus Motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home on the road without giving up an ounce of luxury or performance, this is your ultimate machine. Thanks for riding with us at Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the world's most exciting rides. See you next time.